In this video, we will explore the technology behind noise cancellation and explain how ANC, ENC, and transparency mode actually work. Modern environments are full of constant noise, from engine drones to office chatter and traffic. These sounds can cause stress and ruin your phone calls, but technology provides a precise solution to help manage them. Sound is a mechanical wave traveling through the air. Its volume is controlled by amplitude, while pitch is determined by frequency. Phase marks the current position of the wave. When two waves overlap, we get wave interference. By creating an inverted wave known as anti-noise, engineers can use destructive interference to cancel out the original sound, leaving you with silence. Active noise cancellation, or ANC, protects your ears by reducing ambient noise. The system detects incoming sound, the chip generates a perfect anti-noise wave, and the speaker plays both simultaneously to cancel the noise. Feed-forward ANC uses an external microphone to hear noise early. It provides a fast response and handles mid-frequency sounds well, though it lacks the ability to self-correct its own errors. Feedback ANC places the microphone inside the ear cup to hear exactly what you hear. This allows the system to self-correct and handle low-frequency sounds perfectly, though poor design can create high-pitched feedback. Hybrid ANC combines both microphones for superior performance. This dual setup suppresses a broad range of frequencies, reducing ambient noise by up to 38 decibels, though it requires advanced processing power. While ANC protects your ears, environmental noise cancellation, or ENC, protects your voice. ENC cleans your outgoing microphone signal, ensuring the person on the other end hears you clearly. ENC uses a multi-microphone array to capture sound from different angles. Sophisticated algorithms then separate your voice from background noise and filter out wind or traffic, often called clear voice capture. To summarize, ANC is for the noise you hear using anti-noise, making it perfect for travel. ENC is for the noise others hear, making it essential for calls and meeting. Transparency mode works the opposite way. It uses external microphones to actively amplify and play the surrounding environment into your ears, helping you stay aware and safe on busy streets. At the hardware level, micro-electromechanical systems, or MEMS, capture the sound. These miniature silicon sensors convert physical vibrations of a diaphragm into digital data. The digital signal processor acts as the brain. Using fast Fourier transform algorithms, it breaks down complex noise into simple waves, allowing modern chips to align anti-noise in just microseconds. Match the technology to your environment. Use hybrid ANC for travel, ENC for professional calls, and transparency mode to stay aware outdoors. Master your acoustic environment.